Novena, the Chinese medicine practitioner, will be doing 3 baby exercises with you to strengthen your baby's neck muscles. These exercises are suitable for 3 to 12-month-olds who are able to keep their head upright. They encourage your baby's head to turn to all sides and helps to prevent acquired torticollis. However, if your child has already been diagnosed with torticollis, or if their head already tilts to one side, or if you feel a lump in your baby's neck or shoulder muscle, then please consult your Chinese medicine practitioner before attempting this exercise. For this exercise, it is greatly helpful to use a mirror or your baby's favorite toy to distract them.
Step 1. Side tilting exercise. Carry your baby at a 45-degree angle against the front of your body. As your baby's head tries to centralize, they will be tilting their head to the side and exercising their neck muscles. Switch side. Step 2. Rotation exercise. Sit your baby on your lap. Attract their attention with the toy and have them look to their left side. Switch side. Step 3. Rotation stretch. Hold your baby upright against your body. Gently push your left cheek against their right cheek so they turn their head all the way to the left. Use the toy to distract the baby so they remain in the stretch. If they break out of your hold, just turn their neck again and continue the stretch, or pause the exercise and try again later. Switch side. The benefit of using your cheek instead of your hand to turn the baby's head is that you are applying less force. If you use your hand and you see the baby trying to turn, you will unconsciously apply more force. By using your cheek, the baby will be able to break out of the hold if they try. This makes the stretch more safe.
Well done completing the exercise. Unlike my previous baby massage videos, this one is more difficult because you need to keep your baby distracted during the stretches. You may be wondering why I haven't included acupressure massage points for you in this video. That is because different babies might have different areas of tightened muscles in their neck, and those areas are quite delicate. The above stretches that I demonstrated are safe and relatively easy to perform, but regarding actual hands-on acupressure massages, please consult a registered Chinese medicine practitioner instead of trying to perform them on your own. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Please subscribe for more videos.